you of all people should be aware.
I am
that
aware.
there is a precedent in this country which you are trying to hide.
What is the precedent?
You are trying to hide a precedent.
What is the precedent?
Because if I mention the precedent, your entire argument will collapse.
Oh, how about
like
that?
a pack
How
of
about
cards.
that? You're out of concern for me. You're not telling the
You've
precedent.
forgotten it.
Tell the
You
whole
don't
world.
remember? You don't remember?
What?
You honestly don't remember the case of Justice Arun Madan of the Rajasthan High Court?
I don't remember that
when
at
a serving
all.
judge of the
I
High
don't
Court
know. I
stepped
was
down
not
after he was
involved.
accused
I
of
was not
seeking sexual
concerned with
favors
it.
in exchange for a judicial favor?
I was never concerned
How do you not
with it.
remember that case,
I don't
sir?
know anything
Now,
about it.
let
One
Don't
minute,
bring
one
it.
minute. I want him to respond. Don't come in his defense.
What do you mean I'm coming in his defense? You're telling a lie.
One minute.
As far as Arun Madan is concerned,
You're telling a lie.
as far as Arun Madan was concerned, he resigned because the Chief Justice of India asked for his resignation. He complied. He didn't.
Yeah, there you are.
You must
You're
again with respect. No, you are not.
I'm very sure of my facts here. Chief Justice Khare called him in and said that if you do not resign, there will be a criminal prosecution.
I'm going across to Vrinda on this. The one thing about facts is this.
No.
The one thing about
Facts don't change.
No. The one thing about facts is this, Sanjay Hegde, is that even if you are sure of your facts, you can be completely capable of getting your facts wrong. In this case, the Supreme Court had appointed, allow me to complete, a similar panel to look into allegations against Justice Arun Madan of the Rajasthan High Court. If I'm not mistaken, it was the year 2002. The panel indicted Madan, but didn't take any further action.
Arun Madan was a sitting judge.
However, please...
Arun Madan was a sitting judge. He could not have been taken without impeachment.
So listen.
So they got his resignation.
Sanjay, let me complete. I'll take 15 seconds to demolish your entire argument.
Please.
The then Chief Justice was a person called G.B. Patnaik. He was Chief Justice for a short period of time. He had then said, quote, I am against taking piecemeal action against the judge and I will wait for a further report into allegations of corruption against Madan and see if there is, quote unquote, tangible material to act against him. This Madan resigned even though the Supreme Court had not called for his resignation. In this case, the Supreme Court, Vrinda Grover, I go back to you, has actually found this man prima facie guilty. So Vrinda Grover wanted to come back to the debate. You've been proven wrong on this one. Vrinda.
No.
Yeah, there are 2-3 strands here which we need to understand. One, there has been a prima facie finding, a conclusion arrived after following due process, after hearing both sides. And the Supreme Court very clearly says we are taking a considered view that sexual harassment has taken place. And now we all have seen what is the nature of that sexual harassment. It is both verbal and physical. It did cause alarm, fear, anxiety, disturbance to that woman. Where are we now? The ASG has sent a letter on 10th December to the Prime Minister saying, please ask the President to make a reference to the Supreme Court of India. There is a law operating still in this country and we can't leave all matters as Sanjay Hegde would like us to leave to Justice Ganguly. Under Section 23 of the Protection of Human Rights Act, there is provision for removal of a person a member of the State Commission through a reference to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court then follows a process of inquiry. I did not hear Mr. Sanjay Hegde even once cite this aspect. On the contrary, they all are saying, why don't we have an FIR? Why doesn't Kapil Sibal lodge an FIR? So-and-so lodge an FIR? Why are we not asking the Prime Minister to request the President to make a reference? Would that not be according to law that we are asking? The reason why women do not come out to make any complaints of sexual harassment, particularly against people in such high offices, is because there are men like Sanjay Hegde, and I say this completely categorically on your face, who come out to protect judges when they have been found in the wrong. This is not a citizen fact-finding team.
I come out to process of law.
No, you are not protecting. I am. No, you are not. You are not Sanjay Hegde. Today you did not. Today you did not protect. Today you did not protect the process of law. You did not. You made allegations. You have made allegations against the third aspect. Let me finish. I did not invoke you. Let me finish. You are not the process. No, you did not. You said leave it to Justice Ganguly. You said leave it to Justice Ganguly.
Please, not both of you at the same time.
You abandoned the law.
Every act of feminism feminism
even
does not
today,
need to end in an FIR.
Nobody's talking about feminism
No,
here.
every act of
Feminism is
feminism.
not in question.
Yes.
Deal with
Sanjay
what
Hegde,
I'm
one
saying.
She got very personal.
I'm requesting
She
you.
got
Let
very
me
personal.
finish. Oh,
She
you
got
made a
very
personal
personal.
remark
She
against the
So this
AG
what
just now.
Sanjay
You're a
Hegde,
man, you will get away with it.
Sanjay Hegde, 1 minute.
Just
Just
a minute.
Sanjay Hegde, will you
Mr.
look here?
Hegde, you
One
will
second,
not
one
get
second.
away
First
with
of all,
it.
let me
The
tell you,
third aspect, even
you are a
today-
fine person here.
Even today, we do not have a
Calm down.
mechanism of
I'll say
making a
this, calm
sexual
down.
harassment complaint. We do not have a mechanism even
I'll
today. Even after the notification by the Supreme Court, even after a constitution of a
I'll
committee,
say one thing.
where we can have a complaint filed against the sitting judge of the Supreme Court. Why are we not talking of the vacuum in law? Why are we not talking about the vacuum for redress for women in the legal profession?
Vrinda,
If Mr. Hegde can make allegations
you let me,
against the
we
law
were closing
officer,
in on this.
just because he is a man, he will get away with it.
Listen
He
to
will
me.
have to
Vrinda,
learn
1
to
minute,
hear in that
please.
case.
Vrinda Grover, I say this to you, please. First of all, Sanjay Hegde, with great regard for you, you lose your cool saying that they've got personal with me. Now, I don't know whether you were being diplomatic or non-personal when you accused Indira Jaising.
Yes.
Right, 1 minute please, of going after another judge, now ex-judge, because he delivered the 2G judgment. So, having said that, no, this attempt, now you have to let me complete, please.
Yeah, please,
so,
please,
1 minute, so don't interrupt me when I'm
your
speaking.
show, it's your
No,
show.
it's not because it's my show, because
ahead.
I let you complete your statements and thank you for your permission. The question is simply this, you're a fine one here to all look extremely hurt saying don't make a personal remark. The question tonight is simply this, it's 1 year since Nirbhaya. In June this year, the West Bengal Human Rights Commission, I'm placing this for our viewers, headed by Ganguly, taking cognizance of media reports, the same media who Ganguly now tells to get out of his house and he's had enough with them, directs the Kolkata police to conduct a thorough probe into the alleged rape of an Irish woman. Now, I'm sorry, but I think if that's the position you took on the 4th of June, then I'd say this to the Justice Ganguly with great respect, that Justice Ganguly, do not be hypocritical. If you said that on the 4th of June, then don't be hypocritical today on the 16th of December.
Okay.
And if you are going to be hypocritical, then don't expect any dollops of self-righteousness to sail through this. This question is in the public domain. I'm wrapping up. I'm wrapping up. You have had enough more than a word. In fact,
a last word is this. The male-female discourse cannot be reduced to FIR.
Let us follow the law.
Indira Jaising is responding. Indira Jaising, Sanjay Hegde.
Don't make allegations against
It's about what is, it's not male, female, it's about what is right or wrong. That's all it is. Sanjay Hegde, 1 minute.
Arnab.
Yes.
This is not a male versus female issue. This is not a male versus female issue. That is the reason why a lot of men have come out in support of this young intern. If it was a male versus female issue, we wouldn't see men standing up and supporting this intern, and they have come out and supported her.
Now.
But, Arnab, one last thing.
I haven't said today. Yeah.
I repeat my offer. I do not think Justice Ganguly needs apologists to defend him. I repeat my offer to you on this channel here and now. If Justice Ganguly wishes, please call him on your channel for a one-to-one debate with us. We are ready. We are ready for a one-to-one debate.
I'm telling this to... I'm saying that I'm making an open offer that Justice Ganguly, I really think you should, since you say you've had enough with the media, you've been hiding from the media. Justice Ganguly, come out of hiding, face our questions. I have some questions for you. Indira Jaising will have some more questions for you. And I can assure you, a lot of people want to hear your point of view. Provided, of course, you have the courage to take the questions. Subramaniam Swamy, Sanjay Hegde, Indira Jaising, and Vrinda Grover for joining us on the debate tonight. Thank you very much.